All right. Woo! Yeah, tickles. Hello, I'm Ben.
I'm Ben.
I guess we're both Ben.
Okay. Welcome to our Bullyology video series. We take this very, very seriously.
It's serious stuff. Here's something that Ben and I like to provide though. Serious topics don't always need to be scary and presented in a super serious manner.
The bottom line is we know there are now, with technology and everything else, there are all sorts of different ways that kids are bullied, and adults for that matter, really. These videos are meant to be supplemental to our big materials, but we really just want to give an overview of what we can do, kind of quick tips for addressing the different aspects of bullying.
Right on. The comprehensive program is called Bullyology. Order now at totempd.com.
But wait, if you order
if you order now, we have no special deals because we work in public schools. It's all just straight to you guys.